Hello to everyone. Myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamia College Autonomous Wanembadi. Today we'll discuss about our subject Human Resource Management. Introduction. Why do we call it as Human Resource Management? Human refers to the skilled force in an organization, nothing but employees of the organization. Resource refers to limited availability or scarce. Management refers how to optimize and make best use of such limited or scarce resources so as to meet the organization goals and objectives. Therefore, human resource management is meant for proper utilization of available skilled workforce and also to make efficient use of existing human resource in the organization. Guys, in olden days, this subject was called as personnel management, which refers to how to make utilize of human resource in the organization. But at present market, we called it as HRM, human resource management, which refers to how to manage the human resources in the organization. Remember that we take resource word for human also. They are also important resources. They are also one of the important assets of the organization. Next, definition part. HRM may be defined as that field of management which deals with planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the functions of procurement, development, maintaining, and utilizing the whole labor force in the organization. Thus, our functions of management applied in HRM also. HRM is nothing but planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the functions of procurement, development, maintaining, and utilizing the whole labor force, that is, workforce in the organization. In another part, HRM is the practice of recruiting, hiring, deploying, and managing an organization employees. Functions of human resource management. There are two functions. One is managerial function, second one is operative function. Managerial function, which is classified as planning, organizing, directing, controlling. Operative function classified as procurement, development, compensation, maintenance, integration function. So let's discuss about what is managerial functions of human resource management. Managerial function, point number A is planning. Planning is the process of deciding the goals and formulating policies based on forecasting and results. The HR manager decides human resource goals and formulates human resource policies, programs, and budgets. So for everything, planning is very important role. No planning, no goals, we can say. Point number B is organizing. To implement the plan, a sound organization structure is necessary to allocate responsibilities among the members of the organization. The HR manager is fully responsible for deciding the organization structure of allocating duties and responsibilities to all in the organization. The right organization structure is the foundation for the effective management. So here it is clearly says that HR manager is the responsible person for the whole organizational structure. That is, he has to give the right person right place. Next, directing. Directing is the process of motivating, leading, and supervising the members of the organization. Among all the functions of management, directing is the heart of the management process because it is concerned with the actual work. The HR manager must direct the employees towards the organizational goals. Guys, listen here. Direction is the vital part of the organization. Whatever you plan, you organize. Without direction, without guidance, the organizational goals cannot be achieved easily. Next point, controlling. Controlling implies checking, verifying, and regulating the performance of each work in every department. It may also be called as monitoring the activities of workers and their performance on regular intervals. So, without controlling, it is clearly mentioned that organizational goals cannot be achieved. Next, operative functions of HRM. Point number one speaks about procurement. It is concerned with employing the right kind of people for the right job. The procurement process includes selection, placement, etc. So, guys, for example, if you require an accountant, you must be selecting accountant for that particular job. You cannot select scientist or a doctor to check your accounts in an organization. So, right person, right job is very, very important aspects of the organization. Next point, development. Human resource development is a process of improving the knowledge, skills, and other values of employees for the purpose of performing the job effectively. So, employees development is continuous process in every organization. Every organization must think about the employees development, that is skill development, personality development, communication development, knowledge development, and so on. Next point speaks about compensation. This function refers to providing fair wages and salaries to employees or workers. It includes job evaluation, wage and salary administration. So guys, payment is very, very, very important point. If your organization pay less to employee, suppose your competitors pays more than you, I'm sorry to say, your employees one or the another day shift to your competitors organization only because of salary. So you always focus on employee satisfaction. Employee satisfaction. When did employee will get satisfied? The important point is salaries, payments. Next point speaks about maintenance. It is very important functions of human resource management to protect and promote the physical and mental health of employees. For this purpose, several non-monetary benefits such as housing, medical, and educational facilities are provided to the employees of the organization. So, guys, monetary non-monetary benefits should be provided to the employees of the organization properly. We cannot always focus on only monetary benefits. If we give salary, that is enough for the employees. No, it is wrong. Sometimes non-monetary benefits such as allowances you have to provide, then only your employees will get satisfied, like medical facilities, free educational facilities to the children of employees. And likewise, if you follow the same, your organization employees develops a lot and you can achieve your goals very easily. And next point speaks about integration function. Integration is a process of matching the goals of an organization with the goals of workers and employees. If there is no integration in the organization and the workers will move in different direction, it involves motivating the employees towards the objectives of the organization. So listen here, your objective, employees' objective must be match. Whatever organization says employees has to follow. Whatever organization directs or any direction organization moves, employees should also move with the similar direction. Then only organizational goals can be achieved on time, or else organization face very difficulties. So thank you for the class one, and next point we'll discuss in next class. Wish you all the best.